Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jack Skellington. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off with the shape of the head with a large circle near the top. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a large circle. Now top over to the left side and let's draw a wavy line across. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes here, let's draw the nose by drawing two teardrop shapes. And color these in black as well. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down and bring it up to the right. Then across the mouth, let's draw some stitch lines like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the neck. Let's draw two long lines down in the center. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve up and across. And then from both ends, let's curve it up and bring it down to the center, meeting at a point. Next inside, let's draw two curves up and out, and two more underneath. And now let's color the rest of the shape in black. Now let's hop out on the sides and let's draw the color. On each side, let's draw a line out and curve it up like this. And now let's curve it back in underneath. Now for the next piece, let's draw a wavy line out and bring it in with a wavy line. Now let's add one more curve out and back in underneath on both sides. Next, we're going to hop underneath and let's draw two curves down, meeting at a point. And then for the collar, let's draw an angle down and in. Bring it back out. And curve it down to the bottom. And that's it for Jack. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!